Hi friends, today I'm going to talk about the anatomy of an investor. What is anatomy? Anatomy means study of parts of human body. Now I'm going to talk about investor's human body. How should be the investor's human body? Let's see what is the human body and how should the human body works for an investor. Yeah, his brain should calculate investments and should make calculated investments only. What is calculated investments? Calculated investments means return on investment, the net return out of the investment, what are the benefits which we get through investment or investing, where to invest and when to invest and how to invest, and all brain should work for doing these tasks. And his ears should listen only for the practical and important news of the markets. There are both newses. One is fake newses or rumors, and one is real newses. The investor should always focus only on the practical newses which would impact the markets. He should not be fearful when there is fake news or rumors. So his mouth should share investing knowledges, because while you share information, you get more knowledge and as well as you can enhance your power of investing. So whoever is a good investor will always share his view of the markets and his investing tips he will give. His eyes, the investor's eyes should look only for the value, not for the price. Value means whether the stock is valuable for the future. He should think whether it is valuable or not. You should not see the price. For example, if the stock is very cheap or it is very dead cheaply available in the market, mean we should not buy it. We should always see whether the stock has value and the stock has growth or not. If the share price is even costly, at that time we should think whether it is valuable or not. If it is valuable, you should invest. A prudent investor will always in good companies. Only good companies will give good return. So his eyes should be always in value, not in a price of a stock. And his heart should be loving to be an investor. He should invest in any time. At any point of the time, he should always invest, because there is no time for investing. You should invest in bear market, you should invest in normal market, you should invest in bull market also, because a good investor will not time the market. He will consistently invest in market. Only when we consistently invest in market, we can make a good return. The stomach should withstand bad markets, which means it should digest the bear market, which means now practically there is bear markets in the world due to corona situation. The investors should not be fear or he should not be panic in bear market. He should understand the markets, because every business and every market cycle has its own change, because change is unchanged. Today it can be bear market or bad market. Then this is only a investing time where you can buy good companies at cheap rate. So investors will always think that bear market is good time for investing. So he should withstand the bear markets and make his investments in bear markets and make profits when there is a bull markets. So these are the anatomy of an investor. I hope you would understand the anatomy of an investor. Try to implement in your investing ideas and think as if you are a good investor and make good investment, succeed in your life. Thank you guys for patiently listening to my video. Thank you so much.